Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So today I am solving West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam for Computer Application. That means West Bengal WBJECA 2023 question paper solution. If you need classes, previous year question, doubt clearing session, mock test, you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Sourav Sir himself reply to your query. Okay. So let's start today's session. This is the same question that the first one but here some little difference where b equals to plus plus a and here b equals to a plus plus. What is the difference? I could not explain because of in previous question I totally explained in this previous matter what kind of thing is this. And plus plus a and a plus plus a means after incrementing the value will be assigning on b, and a plus plus means first assign the value of a in b, then a will be incremented. Okay, that means b equals to, what is the value of a? Minus 7. So to type conversion integer to float, so the value of b will be first assigning the value of a in b. So what is the value? Minus 7.000. Okay, and after this what is the value of a? The value of a will be a equals to a plus 1. Okay, a plus plus 1, a equals to a plus 1. That means minus 7.00000 plus 1, that means minus 6.000. Okay, so what is the value? Now the value of b will be minus 7 and the value of a will be the value of here a is only integer, so value of a will be only 6. Okay, so now here 7 plus 1. Okay, now print the value of percentage d, that means a. What is the value? Format specifier of percentage d, that will be print the value of a. Now the value of a will be minus 6, and here plus plus b means the value of b will be incremented by 1, then the value will be assigned to b. Okay, so minus 7.12345 plus 1, that means minus 6 point. So what will be the value? The value of a will be minus 6 and the value of b will be minus 6.1234560. Okay, so what is the correct answer? The correct answer is here, option number C. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. We'll meet you next session. Okay, bye.